Check this thing out, guys. This is the WOLFBOX tire inflator and battery charger 2-in-1 combo. So we're gonna go through, test out some of its settings, make sure this thing works for the battery and for the tires. And look at that display, I'm sorry. This thing is so nice. I cannot wait to show you guys this. Stay tuned. Okay, and this is the newly upgraded all-in-one jump starter, the WOLFBOX, and guess what? It comes in a nice box with a whopping massive 24,000 milliamp hour battery and a peak current of 4,000 amps. You can start a completely dead 12-volt car battery with this thing with ease. Also has a 65-watt fast charge that can be fully charged in as little as 2 hours. Use this thing as a portable power station to power devices as well, no problem. Also has a built-in 400 lumen LED flashlight and comes with all the accessories you will need to either inflate a tire or charge a battery. And guess what? I inflated 4 tires with this thing on one battery and it still had more to go. You can inflate a pickup truck in 2.5 minutes from 30 to 36 psi with this whopping 45 liter per minute 160 psi motor built right in. This thing's a beast and it's rated at IP64 and can operate down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Use it in the hot, use it as in cold, and you can always see it with that large LED display and flashlight. And you can use this to inflate bikes, cars, trucks, motorcycles, and much more. If it has a tire, you can inflate it with this device. It is definitely an all-in-one. Use it to charge dead batteries or jump start a car, and guess what? That's what I just used it for. Next up, you can use that as a portable power station and charge devices like cell phones or laptops. Look at that 65 to 70 watt output, and that was the WOLFBOX 4000 amp jump starter with a 160 psi air compressor built right into it. The all-in-one device you know you need. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.